Really common question people ask us before they enroll in the 90-day pipeline is, well, can I do it on my own? And they may not ask us this question, but we know they're asking themselves this question. Can I do it on my own, or should I get help? And to me, that's fundamentally the wrong question. You could conceivably do anything on your own. like literally anything. Anything you want to do, you could do it on your own. It is possible. That's the wrong question. The question is, how long is it going to take me? And how difficult is it going to be? And what potential mistakes will I make? And what pitfalls will I fall into if I do it on my own, given that I don't know what I don't know? And how much time and energy and money can I save? And how much opportunity cost can I recover if I get help? Let's say I want to get from where I am right now in Toronto to New York City. And I ask myself, well, could I walk there? Well, yeah. I could walk from here to New York City. That is possible. It's the wrong question. The question is, what is the fastest, most efficient, most comfortable, most secure way to get there? And that's car or that's plane, depending on my preferences. I could walk there. That's besides the point. So could you do it on your own? Could you get leads, win clients, get your washboard abs, learn how to mountain bike? You can do any of these things on your own. Should you? Different question.